I wanted to do something different and Maker central and have the things I gave out Maker related. What's more Maker than Lego? You can buy Lego bricks from the Lego stores as like a pick and mix idea. So I picked up a whole load of green standard blocks because they kind of looked a bit like the colour on my logo. Now I knew I wanted to CNC them with my website and possibly a few other things on the back as well, but trying to clamp down a Lego brick is an absolute, or was going to be, an absolute nightmare. So I wanted to make some kind of jig. Didn't have to be anything fancy, just easy to use and able to clamp down to the bed and stop everything sliding around. Nothing pretty, just knock it together, bit of glue, a few brads, job's a good one. So off into Easel, which is the Inventables free software that comes with my x-carve. Pretty simple. I just told the machine how big the Lego bricks were, how high they were, what I wanted on the side, and then it was down to just make sure that what I wanted to be printed on such a small space would actually fit and not leave little gaps. What can happen, as you can see here, little bits get left out. So I told the machine I was using a 0.02mm straight cutter, and then I used a 60-degree engraving cutter that you can see here to carve out. Now the idea of the jig was, I knew I had a lot to do. It was about 150, so round and round and round, zero the machine, and then once it had cut, slide a stack of blocks up to the point of the sort of the original home, and then just run the software again over and over and over. People think CNCing is just a lot of get the machine rolling and walk away, but because this was such a short run time, by the time I had brushed all the swarf away and turned around to check that everything was alright on the screen, it had stopped and reset. Not everything went according to plan though. I decided to do on the other side, rather than just have a blank brick, in case somebody picked it up and saw the face that was blank, I thought I'll put in the social media logo. So Joe Whittaker, thanks Joe over at Average Joe's Joinery, he sent me some image files that he had already found, and I just shrunk them down and again double checked that they'd fit and they'd all get printed, and I engraved the other sides. If you went to Maker Central and didn't get one of these, then get in touch, but I thought it was a little bit different than just normal stickers that everyone else seemed to do. So I still have a few left, maybe 30 that I didn't give away. Whilst I was at the show, I also had dominoes that I CNC'd in exactly the same way with all the things that were on the Lego bricks. Some I did an infill on. I didn't bother including it in the video because, well, there's only so many CNC videos people are interested in to watch. That said, I did a live stream on the after show. I'll put my website here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There'll be more live streams happening in the very near future. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again.